Hey everyone, this is Al Backendis here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. Welcome back to our series on fabric planning, where we are walking you through a day in the life of a FP&A team utilizing this platform for their organization. In this video, we're going to be talking all about OpEx planning. And before getting into the contents of this video, where we'll be showcasing for you various different features and functions around OpEx planning, I wanted to talk about a pain point that a client of ours had faced that we believe many other clients are also facing when it comes to their day-to-day operations. Like many other clients, clients are struggling to consolidate data into one unified location. They lack a planning tool, so they're leveraging Excel and working with large data sets, which are crashing, and many other multitudes of reasons. For this client, when it came to OpEx planning, their issue wasn't an overspending problem, but a discovery lag problem. And what I mean by that is that it was too late in the quarter, in the month, where they discovered that overspending was happening for certain vendors and accounts and having to result in the team actioning off cutting budget for future initiatives in the fiscal year in order to be able to stay on plan and not overspend. So overspend was not a problem, but because they were tracking all the various different overspends happening in the beginning of the year, they had to make adjustments, which ultimately affected other budgets within the organization. And the downside of this is the opportunity cost for the company. If certain spending is being cut due to other spending not getting enough visibility from the organization, that is hurting growth, depending on the vendors that this is affecting and who it is facing within the organization that is driving towards top line metrics or scalability and cost reduction in areas where they're able to find efficiencies within the organization. So with fabric planning and connected planning, what we are bringing is data into one location, alerts and assignments into one location so that you as an organization understand exactly where spend is, where it's going in the full year, and how you can manage that. As an example here, we've been going through how you can do various different budget versus actual comparisons, but not only that, but we also have the ability to be able to assign whom is in charge of a certain budget to be able to track it. As an example here, I can actually come in and assign different individuals to be able to track certain budgets within Fabric Planning itself, such as, for example, being able to assign myself to this GL account office supplies. Not only that, but we can also leverage commentary to be able to comment on any sort of anomalies that we are seeing. But what this is helping to do is bring capability where capability is needed in real time or near real time and being able to understand where large variances are driven to be able to catch them early and prevent any sort of budget reconstruction having to be kept on plan due to various different suppliers overspend. So the idea behind this is that we have the capability to be able to now manage these budgets, make adjustments, make assignments, and ultimately have all data driven within one location right here. This is the power of being able to see data quickly in real time to spot any possible overspending situations, which ultimately affect later half budgets for other organizations, potentially thwarting growth. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the series right here. In our next video, we're going to be talking all about workforce planning. Thank you, and this is Al Backmanis signing.